Can artificial intelligence make you a better investor? AI is revolutionizing everything from healthcare to transportation, but can it really help you beat the market and grow your wealth? Let's dive in to the world of AI-powered investing to find out how you can use this cutting-edge technology to transform your financial future. AI is already disrupting industries across the globe, and investing is no exception. From analyzing complex datasets in seconds to providing real-time insights, AI has become a game changer for investors at every level. Today, I am breaking down everything you need to know: how AI works in investing and what it can do for you, the best AI tools and platforms available right now, real-world examples of how investors are using AI to outperform the market, the risks and limitations of AI, and how to avoid common pitfalls. And last but not least, how to get started with AI-powered investing today. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use AI to make smarter investment decisions. Let's get started. AI isn't just a buzzword. It's a tool that's already transforming the way people invest. Imagine a system that can analyze thousands of companies' financial statements, predict market trends based on millions of data points, and even spot emotional sentiment in social media, all in a blink of an eye. This is what AI does in investing. It uses machine learning and big data to identify patterns, predict outcomes, and make recommendations faster than any human ever could. AI takes the guesswork out of investing by providing data-driven insights, helping you make smarter and more confident decisions. Whether you're just starting or are a seasoned pro, there's an AI tool designed for you. Let's talk about beginners first. Platforms like Betterment and Wealthfront use AI to create and manage portfolios automatically based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. It's perfect if you want the hands-off approach. For DIY investors, tools like Sigma and Stockrover use AI to analyze stocks, ETFs, and even crypto. They provide rankings, insights, and alerts so you never miss an opportunity. And if you're an advanced trader, platforms like TradeIdeas and TrendSpider take it to the next level. They use AI to scan markets in real time, backtest strategies, and predict potential breakouts. No matter your skill level, there is an AI solution to fit your needs and make your investing journey easier and more efficient. Still not convinced? Let's look at how AI has already delivered results. In 2020, an AI-driven hedge fund outperformed traditional funds by analyzing millions of data points in real time, including social media sentiment and news headlines. Individual investors are also seeing success. A friend of mine used AI to spot undervalued stocks in the healthcare sector during the pandemic, resulting in a 40% return in less than a year. These stories show you that AI isn't just a gimmick. It's a powerful tool that can help you achieve extraordinary results. But before you dive in, let's talk about what AI can do. AI relies on historical data to make predictions, so it struggles with unprecedented events like a global pandemic or geopolitical crisis. For example, when AI folded to predict the 2020 market crash because by COVID-19, it was driven by human panic, not data trends. Additionally, not all AI tools are created equal. Some rely on outdated algorithms or lack transparency about how they work. The lesson here is to use AI as a supplement to your strategy, not a replacement. Always combine AI insights with your own research and critical thinking. Ready to add AI to your investing toolkit? Well, here's how you get started. Start small. If you're new, try automated platforms like Betterment to manage your portfolio while you learn the ropes. For DIY enthusiasts, test out stock analysis like Sigma or TradingTrends. These platforms often offer free trials, so you can experiment without committing your capital right away. And if you're a seasoned trader, look into AI-driven platforms like TrendSpider to refine your strategies and save time. The key is to choose a tool that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Start with a small investment, test the platform, and scale up as you gain more confidence. Now that you know how AI can transform your investing, the next step is to learn how to build a long-term portfolio. Watch my video on the 5 best investments for beginners to discover strategies that work hand in hand with AI insights. Don't miss it.